An elderly man was recording inside what appears to be a hospital room when something strange happened. He pointed his camera towards the ceiling, and then viewers noticed something even more disturbing. The blanket beside him appeared to move upward on its own, and there was a strange sound in the background. So, what was really happening? In the footage, the elderly man can be seen lying in bed while connected to an IV. His camera is pointed upward, and for a moment everything seems normal. Then the blanket suddenly shifts and appears to rise. Because the camera doesn't clearly show what is happening underneath or around the bed, it's difficult to determine exactly what caused the movement. Some viewers interpreted it as something paranormal. Others believe there could be a much simpler explanation: air movement, the position of the blanket, movement from the person in the bed, or something outside the camera's view could potentially create an effect like this. And then there's the sound. It's difficult to determine its exact source from the recording alone, which makes the footage even more unsettling. This is an important part of mysterious video like this. Something looking unexplained doesn't automatically mean it's supernatural. Our brains naturally try to find patterns and explanation when we see something unusual. And when a video is dark, blurry, or missing important angles, it's very easy for our imagination to fill in the gaps. That's why it's better to ask questions rather than immediately decide what happened. Was this a paranormal encounter? Was the blanket moved by something completely ordinary? We may never know. But one thing this video reminds us of is simple. Not everything mysterious has an obvious answer, and sometimes the most interesting part is simply asking what we might have missed.